Hello, it's Friday the 8th of May. My name's Mike and this is the cover for Caravan's news of the week on VE Day in lockdown. I hope everyone's staying safe and well. Looking at this week, we've got crafty caravanners, some excellent tech that they use in their caravan, and caravan campers buying a used motorhome Series 4. Last night, Phil and Juliet from Hitch Up and Tow had their live music quiz. I hope everyone enjoyed that. And Caravan magazine, top tips for DIY in your caravan. Here we tow, 6 tips to de-winterize your caravan. And Tread the Globe, life in Istanbul. Bob Earnshaw, cleaning your Thetford cassette toilets. And congratulations to Trevor and Sue from Posh Cats Camping. They've had 300,000 views, which is fantastic. And also some footage of their dash cam. Toner on Tow vlog from Dubai. And Ian Jarrett and Sonia have been the latest to answer the 10 lockdown questions. A great cameo from their grandchildren. Congratulations also to Rolling with the Robsons. They're up to 50,000 views. Today apparently is No Socks Day. And also in Today in History in 1886, Jacob's Pharmacy in Atlanta sold the first Coca-Cola, although apparently it contained cocaine. Have a great weekend everyone and see you next week.